Howdy, howdy. It's a chilly morning, but I'm still hungry. You can see it's foggy out there, cloudy. Life in the clouds. Um, anyway, I'm hungry, so we're going with some breakfast. Some breakfast sandwiches. How's that sound? Sounds yummy to me. So, I will open up a thing of breakfast sausage. If I can get it open here. And I'm going to make me a couple of patties. Yeah, I think I need to go wash my hands. A couple of balls. Plop, plop, fish, fish. Oh, what a relief it is. I'm going to go one with just a straight sausage patty, I think. I'm going to try the other one as a maybe a smash sausage patty. And yeah, my hands are all yucky, contaminated. So let's give them a sec, and I'll be right back after I wash up. Hi, did you miss me? Okay, we got patties going. We're gonna flip one of these babies over, the ball, and we're gonna squish it just like a smash burger. And then I didn't bring my parchment paper, so naturally it's stuck. Kind of like the looks of that. Oops. I got my secret seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, and other yummy things. And I haven't tried this yet. This is some Badia Complete seasoning. Maybe I'll save that for like the eggs or something. La, da, 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 da. Let's see how this one's looking. Yeah, probably could have cooked a little more. We'll squish it out a little too. Those are going. I got us some cheese. I got us some eggs. I got us some bread. There's one cheese. Normally when I'm getting out my cheese, I'm scrambling at the last second. So it's nice to have a few seconds to attempt getting it right. Right. Okay, let's see. That's acting like a patty. That's still got a lot of cooking to do. La, da, 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 da. We got some buns. Let me butter my buns. We got some ghee. It's so cold my ghee is hardened on me. Okay, we have backup plans. We have vegetable oil. Just slide you over. Da, 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 da. That was really cold. I guess the wind's backed off a little bit. Bun, 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 bun. We'll have fun, fun, fun till Daddy takes the buns away. We're getting there, getting there. This one's still got a little, it's still medium rare. And nobody wants medium rare sausage. Right. So, we'll give those another minute. And buns can cook awfully quick. Okay, the tops are done for sure. Get a little more of the oil. Not as good as butter or ghee, but it'll do. Okay, let's turn this side off completely. You can turn that down to ultra low. Egg rings, cheapy egg rings, yay. Actually, it's a good idea to oil your egg rings before you put them on the griddle. I've learned the hard way. Because egg sticks. I'm getting all oily now that I was all sausagey. Now I'm oily. That's okay. What's a little oil among friends? La, 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 la. Egg rings are handy. We can turn this side off now. Oil, 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 oil. Wasn't that a TV show, The World According to Oil? Let's de-oil the hands a little. Move these to a quieter spot to finish. Sounds like it's cooking even more. Okay, this is the fun part. Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. Egg. I got a little on my windbreak. When I cranked this thing up, the windbreaks weren't really doing their job. Yes, Baha'i, see your ball. Not while I'm cracking eggs. Just make sure you don't count your eggs before they're cracked or something. Okay. Eggs cook so fast. That's why I turned off the grill, because they don't need any encouragement. Although I am going to encourage them a little with my secret seasoning and little chives. Eggs and chives are good friends. And let's try the Badia Complete. Uh-oh. And let's crack the yolk, because I don't want the yolk cracking and running down my shirt if I bite into a sandwich. It's nasty. It's yucky. It's no fun. Look at that. I have noticed that the eggs tend to cling more to the silicone than they do the metal. The aluminum. Okay. You're being a brat. Why'd I do 4 eggs? I meant to do 2. I got carried away and couldn't count anymore. Well, isn't that a fine how do you do? That one's still... Okay, we'll do you on top of you. And we'll do you on top of you. I'm looking at 2 extra eggs because I can't count. 2 sandwiches, not 4. So there's 1, and here's the smash burger egg, and then maybe I'll have something to fix later with these eggs. What do you think, huh? Should we do like extreme close-ups and stuff? Well, that one's better looking. Look how pretty. Put a lid on it. Put a lid on you. Put a lid on it. Those look good, don't they? And the sacrificial bite, while you enjoy the background. So the Colby Jack cheese was a little too cheesy. But, man, that's good. I say we have a winner. Thanks for watching it, y'all. And Baja also says, bring a tennis ball next time. Thanks for watching. And that's a wrap. Bye!